Hi everyone, just wanted to show you how to replace cabin air filter on 2006 Toyota Sienna. And so it's very simple actually. This clip right here, it's not real a clip, but just kind of pull it toward the driver's side. Same thing on this side. Pull it and it'll come right out. It's up to you if you want to also pull this completely off. It just pulls right up, and this is where the cabin air filter is. I've replaced it with this TYC brand. So just goes in there. And if you forget how it goes in there, it says right there it's supposed to be up like that. Put this back in. It will clip. And then just like pull this a little bit, just clip in, cabin air filter installed.